Assalamu alaikum, beloved Hazur.
Islam.
My name is Ataul Awal Sheikh Juman. My question is, will the election of the new president of America have an impact on the timing of the Third World War?
Nobody knows. If in Allah's plan it is destined to happen, then it will happen. Right? And no matter whether the American president is changed or new president comes or not. Also, if they use sense, then it can be delayed. But ultimately, as the world is forgetting their responsibilities, they are not following the teachings given to them by Allah Ta'ala, they are not discharging their duties they owe to Allah Ta'ala, they are not discharging their duties they owe to their fellow being, then Allah's wrath and punishment will come, and it can come in the shape of world war. No matter whether there is an American president or any other president, Biden or Trump or whoever it is. Or it can be delayed if they behave well. But we should pray, even if Allah Ta'ala have mercy on us, and it should not happen during our lifetime, and Allah Ta'ala change the minds of the people, and they accept the teachings of Islam and what Allah Ta'ala says, then yes, we can hope that it can stop. Otherwise, under present circumstances, no matter who is the president, it seems as if it is going to happen. When? Allah knows better.
Jazakallah Hazur.